Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to link your YouTube channel to TikTok after new update. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. And inside the TikTok app, tap on the me icon or profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then you'll navigate it to your profile. Now inside your profile, tap on the edit profile option available there. After you tap on the edit profile, you will get to see the options YouTube and Instagram in there. So you can see the YouTube option available there. Tap on the YouTube and continue with the process. Now all you have to do is log into your YouTube account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.